Can you make Syracuse salt potatoes outside Syracuse? Imagine biting into a warm, salty crust with a creamy inside. Sounds delicious, right? Syracuse salt potatoes are a classic central New York treat, but you might wonder if you can enjoy them anywhere else. The good news is yes, you can make Syracuse salt potatoes outside Syracuse. The key ingredients are simple and easy to find in any grocery store. You need small, waxy potatoes like new potatoes or fingerings, a generous amount of salt, water, and butter. The process is straightforward and doesn't require special equipment. Start by washing your potatoes thoroughly. Then, fill a large pot with water and add a lot of salt, enough to make the water taste very salty, almost like seawater. Usually about 1 cup of salt for every 4 cups of water works well. Bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, carefully add the potatoes and cook until they are tender but still firm. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the potatoes. When they are done, drain the water and let the potatoes sit for a few minutes. This helps the salt crust form on the outside, giving that signature salty crunch. After they sit, serve the potatoes hot with melted butter on top. Many people like to sprinkle fresh herbs like parsley or chives for extra flavor. You can make Syracuse salt potatoes in your own kitchen, backyard, or even at a picnic. The process is the same whether you are in New York City, Buffalo, or any other part of the state. The only thing to keep in mind is using the right potatoes. Small, waxy ones work best because they hold their shape and absorb the salt well. The cost is minimal, and the cooking time is short. You can prepare a batch in about 30 minutes, making it perfect for a quick side dish or a summer gathering. The flavor is rich and salty, and the crispy crust makes every bite satisfying. So, if you're craving this regional specialty, don't worry. Making Syracuse salt potatoes outside Syracuse is totally doable and just as tasty. Just follow the simple steps, and you'll have a delicious, authentic dish ready to enjoy wherever you are in New York.